All right, welcome back YouTube for another market analysis for the London session. Today we are going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this 10 tick here real quick, and we'll do some levels that we're going to be looking for on S&P and also on gold. Gold has hit our level and we've taken some profit off already, but we'll show you guys what we're going to be looking at for later trades tonight in the London session if we get there. So let's take a look at S&P here. We have a 10 tick here that we're looking at, and you can see on the 10 tick we've highlighted some levels. We have resistance coming in between 29.50 and 54.25. So you can see we're coming up to 50 right now, and we're looking to see if we can get a reaction of resistance here. Now if we get resistance up at this level for a couple rotations, this will be a good level for us to look to short it back down to the bottom of the actual support here. Now, if we pop up above this level and we hit into 54 to 55, it's okay. We're going to let it come back into level, hold the resistance there, and we're going to be looking for maybe a two-try failure, a double top, and then a move back down to the bottom of the actual support at 35. So that's what we're going to be looking at there. Again, you can get a two-try failure, you can get a double top, you can get a head and shoulders pattern. We're going to be looking for one of those two. It could pop up above this, and once we get this, then we're going to be looking for things to confirm our trade, which is where we're going to put up our tools, our studies, see if the moving averages are overhead, see if the VWAP is overhead, and everything that falls in line with it. Right now you can see it's underneath, so the support is still holding to the upside, so we should take it maybe into the 54s. Now if we get it there and we do see something different, which means if we do pop up above this level and find the support, then that's going to be a good opportunity for us to be looking for a long. But that's where we're going to kind of wait it out and see if we get that opportunity to take that long. Again, we are in a bullish trend, so the longs are a little bit better than the short opportunities, but we don't want to take them where we're really not getting too much signals or signs that we should have a bullish opportunity along with this. Again, this is our round out. If we do see some support coming in here between 54 to maybe as low as 52, then that could still be another opportunity of a long, as long as we hold higher low movement. Again, we'll push to the upside. We'll see this here, and there will be a good opportunity to continue the long to the upside, at least to test the 64.75s at the top, take some profit there, and then try to get some runners past that level. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here, see if we can get also a little bit of a closer view on it. Again, same levels that we have, guys. Again, we're going to want to see that if we get the resistance here at the 50s, then we're going to go ahead and see if we can come back down. Now, if we miss the trade that pulls back to the bottom of support, then we're going to be looking for a bounce here. Now, if we get that bounce to hold support here at the bottom, we'll look for the long side. But if we get a push through the level and then a retest of resistance, then we're going to be looking for the short side to come back down from that level. So that's what we're going to be looking at on the S&P 500. Let's take a look at gold here real quick. Gold, we had our levels which played out very nicely. We are back into a range on gold. You can see we're in a downtrend. You can see how that kind of worked out. We pulled down. This is our lowest low. You can see it's somewhere right around these 30.4s. And we have a resistance coming in at these 41.7s. You can see what happened here is we double topped that area right here, and we had a pull down. That's what we were looking for. And I want to see if the market comes all the way back down to hold the support here. If we break through the level, either we're going to look for that pullback for the resistance to continue that short, or we're going to look for it to break through the level, see how much strength we have coming back up, and if we hold the support here, then we're going to be looking for the buy low opportunity to continue back up against the resistance here. So again, you don't want to do breakout trades on these range plays. They're going to be some of the hardest trades to try to take because you get a lot of head fakes. So it's better that you stay to allowing the market to come to the levels and see how the market creates its structure from there. You guys can see we had a nice opportunity. Let me pull over a 5 tick here on gold. A very nice opportunity that played out. As you can see, we came exactly to the level 1, 2, 3 times, failed it, tried it again. Right here is where you have your double top movement here, tried that resistance level again, pulled down. Here's another opportunity you have with 2 tries here underneath the VWAP with the moving averages overhead. Low volume down below, should start to move at least back down into our previous day close or our overnight low. So that's what we're going to be looking at for gold as well. We're going to play that range opportunity, sell high and buy low there. But if we do get past those levels as we draw into the London session, then we'll remap out the levels and see if we have any other levels we can play off of. But other than that, that's going to be our levels for tonight. Hopefully you guys like that. If you guys have any questions, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. If you guys did like this video, please hit that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you guys are, thank you guys very much. Thank everyone for the support. You guys have a great night. We'll see you guys in the London session.